Now we are moving to example 3. Example 3, the requirement is a little bit different from what we have got in example 1 and 2. Example 1 and 2 only requires us to find the, or let me say to minimize the distance. So we only find the minimum value. But here it is requiring from us finding the greatest and the smallest value of this function with respect to that g that is given here. But I'm leaving example 3 for you to do it yourselves, practice it yourself. And moving to example 4, which the requirement is the same thing as we have got in example 3. So if you know example 4, you can easily do example 3 because it's the same idea. Here it requires us in example 4 to find the maximum and the minimum value of this function 3x plus 4y with respect to the function x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Or we can say finding max and min of this function on the circle x squared plus y squared that's equal to 1. Okay, so here again what we have got to write what's required from us, the functions that we have are f that's equal to 3x plus 4y with the condition that g is equal to x squared plus y squared minus 1. Here again, since max and min is required from us, we are using Lagrange multipliers as we have used previously. So grad f is equal to lambda grad g. Grad f is equal to 3i plus 4j. That's equal to grad g is equal to 2xi plus 2yj. تمام? Now again, this equation is equal to each other if they are equal to each other component wise. So we have got 3 is equal to 2 lambda x or x lambda. Okay, and 4 is equal to 2y lambda. From here we get that x is equal to 3 over 2 lambda. So we found x with respect to lambda, and from this one, from the second equation, we get that y is equal to 2 over lambda. So we found the values of x and y with respect to lambda. Now we need to find lambda. How do we find lambda? As usual, we are using the condition that is given to us, g of x. We are using g of x and y. So here we know that g of xy is equal to x squared plus y squared minus 1. So instead of x, we are putting 3 over 2 lambda, and instead of y, we are putting 2 over lambda. So we get the equation 3 over 2 lambda squared plus 2 over lambda squared minus 1, and that's equal to 0. We know that the condition of Lagrange multipliers is that g of xyz, or g of xy here we have got, is equal to 0. So from here we get that 9 over 4 lambda squared plus 2, not 2, 4, plus 4 over lambda squared is equal to 1. I'm putting the 1 on the other side. Multiplying, I'm equalizing the denominators of those two so that I can deal with it. So I'm multiplying both by 4. So from here I get what? I get 9 plus 16 is equal to 4 lambda squared. Why 4 lambda squared? Why like that? Because we equalized the denominators here. Okay, and we did cross multiplication, so we get 9 plus 4, 9 plus 16 is equal to 4 lambda squared. From here we get what? We get 25. 4 lambda squared is equal to 25. So dividing both sides by 4 and taking the square root, we get lambda is equal to positive or negative 5 over 2. Now we got the value of lambda. After getting the value of lambda, since we have got the value of x and y depending on lambda, so we can find the values of x and y. From here, we get what? We get the value of x. That's equal to 3 over 2 lambda. And that's equal to, if we put lambda and substitute into this equation, we get that's equal to plus minus 3 over 5, okay, and y is equal to 2 over lambda. Substitute instead of lambda plus minus 5 over 2, so we get plus minus 4 over 5. Okay, now we have got the values of x and y, so we can write the points that we have got. Xy equal to positive or negative 3 over 5 with 4 over 5, which includes all of the 4 conditions. Now, I mean, by the 4 conditions, like that positive and negative is for the 3 over 5 ones, and for 4 over 5 another time. So here we have to find what? We have to find f of the points that we have, so that we can find which one is the maximum point and which one is the minimum point. 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. Okay. F of minus 3 over 5, 4 over 5. We also have to find f of 3 over 5 minus 4 over 5. We also have to find f of minus 3 over 5, also minus 4 over 5. How do we find these points? Simply putting them into the function that we have, which is 3 multiplied to x plus 4 multiplied to y. We are doing the same thing for this one, and for this point. As a result, you get that the value of f of 3, 5, 4 over 5 is the maximum one. Okay, when you find the value of all of those 4 points, you see that this one has got the highest value, so this one is the maximum value, and you get that this point is having the minimum value, so this one becomes the minimum of this function. So like that, we found the max and min of this function with respect to the g that is given to us. And that's all about 14.8. I hope you would understand when you're listening to the videos. Thanks for listening. Have a nice time.